Alright, since everyone thinks that my sneeze is so amusing, I've decided that for your guys' amusement, and because I'm bored out of my bloody mind, that I'll make a video of me sneezing, and I'm going to make myself sneeze with some pepper. Let's try this. No, I'm not snorting cocaine. It's strictly pepper. Let's try this one more time. Okay. Well, I got pepper in my nose. It burns. Pepper burns, don't do that. Oh, I want to cry. That burns. Ah. I didn't realize pepper burns so much. That wasn't smart. Oh. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Okay. I think we're good, but I guess that was my sneeze. Just, yep, putting it out there. My sneeze.